Hi, I'm Charles Samuel. I work here at Spartan Tool as the team lead in the jet department. And today we're going to do a video on how to operate a remote for an elite soldier.
Turn the key to run position. Toggle the remote switch to on. Press the button to pair. Press the engine start button to turn the unit on. Press the water on button to turn the water on. Press the RPMs up button to throttle up the machine. Press the pulsator on button to activate the pulsator. Press the pulsator off button to turn it off. Press the RPM down button to throttle down the machine. Press the water off button to turn off the water. Press the engine stop button to turn the machine off. Press the E-stop to save the battery.